That's how much glue you need.
I glued stones on my car, one by one.
How heavy will this car be when all covered with stones?
So that's how I spend my time, gluing stones on my cars for 7 days in a row.
140 kilograms. So 30 kilograms. I'm not gonna tell you how much I weigh. $11 of those buckets are on the car, plus this. I think the hood weighs around 60 kilograms now.
The back has a pirate written on it. The roof has an eye on it.
Next time we are going to do the interior.